Are you a professional who's worried about how AI is going to impact your career long term? Hi, this is Dr. Stephen Kirch of Profit Minds, and we've been teaching people how to leverage AI for more than a year now. And we have a brand new initiative called the AI First Career Institute. What would it be like if you were able to walk into the next conversation with your boss and say, I know how to do this much of my job using AI. I've got these new skills that I can bring to the job that I'm currently doing. Or if you're a job seeker, to walk into that interview and say, based on the job posting, I know these are the kinds of things you're going to need me to do, and I can already do this many of them with AI, and I'm learning more. Or maybe you're someone that's been displaced by AI or the government restructuring, and you don't know what you need to do next. Wouldn't it be great to leverage AI to be able to help you figure out what's next, and then teach you how to use AI in that new area of your life to future-proof your career? So whether you're a brand new college graduate who I understand are having some trouble finding jobs, mid-career professional, even in the C-suite, or if you're somebody looking for a job, we can help you not only figure out what it is that you want to do next and how to use AI to get that next position, but also use AI to learn skills and be able to leverage AI in that position. And we're going to have, as our faculty, we're going to have career coaches who are going to be able to walk with you, real humans, in addition to the AI, that will be able to help you in your career progression. If you want to learn more, the link's below. Be happy to talk. Have a grateful day.